stain on my shirt. I'm gonna go change because as I'm editing this video, I'm gonna get pissed. I'll be back. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I am finally reviewing the new Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation and Concealer. You guys, it's been long overdue. I didn't order this when it first released on their website. I waited till it came into Ulta's on the 2nd. Found out that they only had the foundation, so I had to end up still ordering the concealer from the Juvias Place website. So this concealer finally came in yesterday while I've had this since Sunday. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm super uber excited. I have avoided watching anyone's video on this. Like, I didn't want this to be biased. Like, I'm so excited for this. So starting off with my Milk Hydro Grip Makeup Primer. I am going to work today. So it's currently 7:59. Oh, is it? Oh, it's 8 o'clock now. I gotta be at work at 9:30. So I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna be out for a while. So I will be like taking you guys along with me as the day goes on, and then I'm pretty much gonna be doing a wear test. So I'm so excited to try this foundation. Alright, I'm gonna be using a beauty blender, and I washed mine just for this video because I don't need anybody to try to drag me. So I got my foundation in the shade Lagos, which I'm so happy that this is my color. Well, I hope it is. I haven't tried it, but when I matched myself in store, it looked like my color. Because if you guys don't know, I am Nigerian. Now, granted, I'm not from Lagos in Nigeria. Well, I was actually born in America, but my parents, my dad is from Delta State and my mom's from Imo. But my dad lives in Lagos. I visited Lagos. I lived there for about a year, like when I was younger. So I really wanted this shade, and I was like, ugh, I thought I was gonna be too light for it, but I was like, oh, perfect. And I'm so glad that I waited till it came in stores, because the shade that I was originally gonna go with when I saw it in stores, I was like, yeah, good thing I waited. How much comes in here? So you get 1 fluid ounce, which is normal. It's standard size for most foundations. Okay, so we're just gonna squeeze this on the back of our hand. Well, I'm gonna squeeze it on the back of my hand. Ooh. Oh, and for reference, if you guys wanted to know like what I wear like in other foundations, oh yeah, this is what I like. I like my foundation to have like a little bitty piece of red. When I say little, like it's very slight with some golden. I don't like to be neutral at all. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this does have like slight red. I don't even say slight. I think it's pretty red. But I kind of like my foundations like that a little bit, because I like my concealers to be a lot more golden. I don't know, it all ties in together. So this is a nice velvet matte finish according to Juvias Place, which it most definitely is. It is definitely full coverage. So if you're looking for a nice matte finish, full coverage, I think you might like this. But I still don't know how it's gonna wear. But anyways, for reference, like the shades that I wear in other foundations, I wear Macau in NARS, I wear 420 in Fenty, I'm an NW43 in MAC, I'm like 3 different shades in Dior Forever, so I won't even mention that. I can wear either maple or chestnut in Born This Way. Preferably I like chestnut better, especially for, I guess, like a summer shade. I don't really think I have a summer shade. I think I'm the same color year round, to be quite honest, because I really don't like any outdoor activities, outdoor programs. I don't. And the reason why I don't like outdoor programs is because, if you don't know, I am very severely terrified of birds, and bird activity be too high sometimes for me and my liking. So I prefer to be indoors where I am safe away from that predator. I know you guys like, Whitney, birds, not all birds are predators. Well, you know what? To me, they are. They're literally rats with wings. I just, just thinking about them grosses me out when I go to like the store and I see them. Jesus. I hate when I see like one randomly who got stuck in the store. Oh my gosh. There was one day that I went to Sam's, and I don't know, I was just in a good mood. I ordered me a slice of pizza. I decided to sit down in there and eat. and then I saw a bird on the table. When I say I was thoroughly disgusted, I couldn't even eat that food. I just had to pack up everything and get in my car and go home. I was so disgusted, you guys. When I say I'm terrified of birds, oh, y'all want to see me cut up? Oh, y'all want to see me cut up? Bring a bird around. Anyways, you guys, this foundation is bomb so far. So far, so good. It's very matte. It's actually very matte. I think it dries pretty quickly, so this is not something you want to like take your time and like dot. It's something you want to like, you need to blend out quickly and blend in sections. So you notice how I did mine in sections. I would definitely recommend you doing it that way. And just so you guys know, I do like my foundation a little bit darker. Looking at this, I probably could go lighter, but I like this color. I really do. Not just because it's the shade Lagos, but I actually really do like this color. And once I put the concealer on and I put everything else on, it all kind of works together. That's just me. I know some people want it to be spot on. I personally don't. And so that's why I really don't care. This is for coverage. This is for coverage. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the concealer. I got the concealer in the shade, it's not on the box. I think I got J16. Yes, I got J16. And you guys, when I opened this yesterday, because I wanted to look at it when I got it in the mail, it is relatively pretty large. I didn't think it was going to be this big. So this is the Too Faced one, and this is this one. So you see that it is pretty large, like as far as like wideness. And I love that it has this big applicator. Like, I think Shape Tape kind of started this, and now I just like for my concealers to have this big applicator because I feel like I can cover more surface. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh yeah, I like this color. I like my concealer light. Not too light to where it's like stark white, but I like it light. If this concealer, oh my gosh, please, 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 please make me happy, because when I say my favorite concealer right now, it is that Too Faced concealer. And I'm always open to trying new things, but this is cheaper than the Too Faced one. So if it works, I might just have a new bae. Put a little bit more on. I like full coverage. And let me zoom y'all in. Come closer, come closer. So now I'm just gonna blend this out. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, what's been going on in life? My life is just, right now, all I can do is give it over to God. The coverage is good. I don't think it's the fullest coverage. I think the Too Faced one is more fuller coverage in my opinion, in my humble opinion. But this is nice though. But yeah, I'm used to a little more coverage, but I mean, it's still very pretty. It worked. It worked. It worked, it worked, it worked, it worked, it worked. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this bake. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back to show you the full finished look. All right, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I went and slapped some curls into my hair. Honestly, it's probably gonna go in a ponytail because I don't know if it's... Hey Google, what's the current humidity?
The current humidity in San Antonio is 71%.
So the curls may fall. I'm just gonna take a ponytail holder just in case because... Anyways, so this, you guys, is the completed look. I did a soft, a very, 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 very soft beat. Like, literally, soft beat. Let me just say... I do like this foundation so far. So if you guys don't know, I have normal skin can be combinations sometimes, but for the most part my skin is pretty normal. I'm not really too oily. I'm not really dry. I'm not dry at all. Yeah, so for the most part my skin is normal. Now I don't like to be extremely matte, hence why I'm not too fond of the like Huda Beauty foundation, the Kat Von D foundation. They are just, it's the Huda's on a whole nother level. Like, I like matte foundations that are like a soft matte, like a velvet matte, hence why I like Dior Forever, YSL, a lot of these like more, I guess you could say luxury brands, they do more of the soft matte, while a lot of these more on-trend brands are like super, super matte. And I I'm just not that oily, and I really don't like the look of it. And I don't tend to like those foundations until later on in the day when my own oils have started to produce with it. So when I put this on, it is pretty matte, but looking at my skin like right now, I don't feel like I look like ain't no life in me, ain't no hydration. Like, I feel like it's like they said, a velvet matte finish, and it truly did feel that way. Even when I was swatching it in store, it felt really smooth. I'm excited to see how this foundation is going to look in like 6 to 8 hours from now, because that's when I usually love the way my foundation looks, because it just starts to look like butter. Like, it's just my own oils I started to produce. It's just melting into the skin in a way that I like. I know it sounds weird, people usually don't like the way their makeup looks by that time. I personally do. On camera, probably not so much, but in person, I love the way it looks. Someone just texted me. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do a wear test for you guys. It is now 8:50. I have to be at work at 9:30. Luckily, I only live like 7 minutes away from my job. So I'm about to get dressed and pack me up a bank energy drink, because I need energy, and pack up my lunch. I meal prep, so I don't know why I'm telling you guys all this. You're like, we don't care. So I'll see you guys shortly. So let's go ahead and, well, you guys will, I mean, by the time y'all see me, it'll be hours later. But yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, you guys, so this is the foundation. It is currently 3:53. I just got off work, and I have not touched up. I have a little bit of shine right here in the middle of my nose, but I've had this on since 8 o'clock. And in person, I like the way it looks. On camera, ignore my hair, all the curls and fell. I live in Texas. The humidity is pretty serious out here. So yeah, you guys, I will check in with you guys later on. I have somewhere to go before I go home, so I will show you guys in a couple of hours what this looks like by the end of the day before I take it off. Well, let me get a close-up. This is the concealer. Whew. Okay guys, I'm finally back home after a long day of work. I went to work at 9:30, but I started putting this on at 8 o'clock. It is now 5:21. I don't know if that, well, either way it goes. It's 5:22 actually. I have not touched up my face at all. Now I do have some shine here, which you guys can definitely see. But for the most part, this foundation held up. This is fine for me. I don't mind my foundation looking this way after this many hours. Now, if it looked this way after 3-4 hours, we got a problem. But this looks, for the most part, fine. I do live in Texas. It is very humid here. It is very hot. Hey, Google, what's the current temperature?
In San Antonio right now, it's 97.
It's 97 degrees right now. So it is very hot. Granted, I was in AC. For those people who do work outdoors, good to you. Kudos to you. I did a bridesmaid today, and the bride was getting married outside and the party was outside. I feel like people who have their weddings in the summer outdoors in this type of weather are evil. Why would you do that? It is hot as hell, okay? But yes, you guys, it lasted, it stayed, and that's all that matters. This is perfectly fine for me. Granted, if I touched up, this will look a lot better, but I didn't want to. I wanted you guys to see how it looks with, this is just it, and it stayed. All in all, I really do love this. The concealer, I do like the concealer. Do I love it enough to replace my Born This Way? I'll have to give it a couple more tries. The Too Faced one, I really love that concealer. But the foundation, I definitely can see myself wearing this more often, because right now Dior Forever is like my ride or die, and Born This Way is like right there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not yet following me on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure you go ahead and do that. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon. That way, whenever I post a video, you are always notified. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye. Y'all, I'm about to go gorge on a bag of Funyuns.